Okay, again, this doesn't look too bad, so let's move on to the hair. Select the hair object, choose a hair material, and go into the hair shader group. These are pretty self-explanatory, but it can't hurt to go through them anyway. Hair color is hair color. Hair detail color is what these darker parts of the hair are. Hair detail strength tells you how intense the hair detail color will be. Hair comes with a rim enabled by default, and this color sets the color of the rim. It's kinda hard to tell for this character, but the rim is usually a grayish blue for lighter haired characters. Highlight strength is highlight strength. I can barely see it, so I'm gonna kick it up to like 5. If you want the highlight color to be something other than white, you can also set that here. Just like before, you can let the shader choose a hair detail color for you automatically, or you can set one yourself. Again, it's kinda hard to see because she has black hair. The fade mask is this fading action on the tips of the hair. You can change the colors and intensities here. This blue part seems to be a reddish color, so let's make that red, and this green color seems to be a blackish color, so I'll make that black. Yeah, that looks okay, I guess, but the highlights on the back hair are missing, so I'm going to go back out of this shader node group and go into the positioning group. This needs to be a little higher and a little thinner, so I'm going to use this mapping node to adjust the scale and position. I think I'm going to use a second UV map to get the hair shine on the other pieces of the hair in the correct position, so I'm going to make one of those and then swap this default UV map to my new UV map. Now if I hop over to the UV editing tab and go into the shaded view, I can go into edit mode, select these pieces of hair with the L key, and then move the UVs with the G key until they're in the correct position. I do that for the back hair too. Select with L and move with G. Alright, let's get to the face. Select the body object and select the face material. This one has skin color, skin detail color, blush color, and you can also set the color the inside of the mouth is supposed to be. It looks like the tool exported the wrong blush texture, so I'm just going to go into my texture files group, and this is the image that is connected to the blush mask, so I need to replace this image with the correct one. This is a blush file from the Koikatsu base game, so I'm going to open this file in SP3U and replace the default blush texture with the correct blush texture. The default blush texture and the SP3U blush texture have different positioning, so I also need to use the correct mapping as well. The blush isn't in the correct spot, so I'm going to go to the positioning group And this is an SP3U texture, so I'm going to use this bottom mapping node to position the blush correctly. Okay, that's close enough. Now I'm going to do the eyelashes, the eyebrows, and the tongue.